Today, we're diving into a comprehensive comparison between the brand new DJI Mavic 4 Pro and the Mavic 3 Pro. The Mavic 3 Pro already made waves with its innovative tri-camera setup, 5.1K video, and impressive 43-minute flight time, making it a top-tier choice for professional content creators. On the other hand, the Mavic 4 Pro builds on that legacy with a redesigned camera system, a 360-degree rotating infinity gimbal, and a beefed-up battery that promises longer airtime. Both drones are premium prosumer options that push the boundaries of what's possible from the skies. But the big question is, which one is best for your needs and style? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two powerful drones and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's start off with design and build quality. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro keeps the familiar tri-camera layout of its predecessor, but there are several meaningful changes that make it more polished and user-friendly. It's slightly larger and heavier than the Mavic 3 Pro, but you likely won't notice the extra weight in practice. What really stands out is the new Infinity Gimbal that offers full 360-degree rotation and the ability to shoot 70 degrees upward. This flexibility gives you dynamic new perspectives that weren't possible on the Mavic 3 Pro. The layout has also been improved with repositioned sensors and a sleeker camera unit now mounted at the top. Unfolding the drone's arms automatically powers it on, making setup faster and smoother. On the other hand, the Mavic 3 Pro introduced the tri-camera design and still offers an elegant, compact form factor. But without the gimbal innovation and ergonomic enhancements of the Mavic 4 Pro, it starts to feel a bit dated. For anyone who values speed, simplicity, and superior build, the Mavic 4 Pro takes the win here. When it comes to flight technology and safety, the Mavic 4 Pro introduces significant upgrades that give it a noticeable edge. One standout feature is the built-in LiDAR sensor, which uses laser light to detect objects more accurately than traditional visual sensors, especially in poor lighting or reflective environments. This allows the drone to navigate around tricky obstacles with greater confidence and precision. It also includes 6 low-light vision sensors and improved obstacle sensing tech that works without GPS, thanks to DJI's new 0.1 Lux Nightscape system. On the other hand, the Mavic 3 Pro uses 8 optical sensors, but DJI warns they can be confused by things like water reflections. The Mavic 4 Pro also improves its video transmission range, now reaching up to 30 kilometers with DJI Q4 Plus compared to 15 kilometers with the Mavic 3 Pro's Q3 Plus. These upgrades, combined with more stable flight and enhanced navigation, make the Mavic 4 Pro far safer and more reliable, especially in challenging shooting conditions. It's clear that DJI put serious thought into keeping pilots confident and footage smooth. In terms of cameras, the Mavic 4 Pro keeps the tri-camera approach but pushes image quality even further. The main Hasselblad camera now has a brighter aperture range from f2.0 to f11, a wider 72-degree field of view, and a huge resolution bump to 100 megapixels. That's paired with refined performance on the medium telephoto and telephoto cameras. Both are brighter with upgraded chips on the Hasselblad and 168mm tele lenses. The slow motion options have also been enhanced, now supporting up to 4K video at 120 frames per second. On the other hand, the Mavic 3 Pro still produces stunning footage with a wide-angle Hasselblad, a 70mm medium telephoto, and a 166mm telephoto. But its main sensor caps out at 20 megapixels and max ISO at 6,400, while the Mavic 4 Pro doubles that to 12,800, offering cleaner night footage. These aren't just minor spec bumps. They make a real difference in dynamic range, clarity, and low-light performance. For pro creators who demand top-tier footage, the Mavic 4 Pro clearly takes the crown here. Moving on to battery life and pricing, this is another area where the Mavic 4 Pro shines. Despite having a much larger 6,654 mAh battery compared to the Mavic 3 Pro's 5,000 mAh pack, the new drone's battery actually weighs less in 3.5 grams. That's impressive efficiency, and it helps the Mavic 4 Pro reach up to 52 minutes of flight time under ideal conditions. In the real world, that translates to noticeably longer airtime compared to the Mavic 3 Pro's average of around 25 minutes. On the pricing front, DJI kept things consistent. The Mavic 4 Pro launches at the same price as the Mavic 3 Pro did. While the Mavic 3 Pro can now be found a bit cheaper due to age, the 4 Pro's new tech makes it a better value overall. Between better flight endurance, improved power efficiency, and a price that holds steady despite upgrades and inflation, the Mavic 4 Pro is delivering more for the same money. It's a smart investment for long-term use. As for my final verdict, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is a top-tier camera drone that checks a lot of boxes. It's smarter, safer, faster, and more versatile in nearly every way. The Infinity Gimbal, 100-megapixel Hasselblad sensor, LiDAR-enhanced safety, and extended battery life make it a clear step forward. On the other hand, the Mavic 3 Pro remains a fantastic drone that still delivers high-quality footage and solid performance, especially for enthusiasts or creators who might not need the very latest tech. If you're ready to elevate your aerial content and want a future-proof drone that can handle almost any scenario, the Mavic 4 Pro is the clear choice.